Today we're going to show you how to install your Leaf Eater Clean Shield screen. The Leaf Eater Clean Shield screen replaces your traditional Leaf Eater original dual screen system with a single 0.955mm stainless steel mesh. For the first step to installing your Clean Shield screen is to remove the existing Leaf Eater original screen. So undo these two tabs on the side. These tabs can actually come off the sides. You won't need these anymore. Remove your Leaf Eater original primary screen, and inside here there's also a very fine 0.955mm mesh screen in a black plastic surround. So you want to reach inside your rain head and pull this out. Now that you've removed the two Leaf Eater original screens, now's a great time to just give your rain head a clean. Just make sure there's no buildup of debris or anything like that inside your rain head. Now we take our Leaf Eater Clean Shield screen and slide it up behind the downpipe and press it into place using these 4 tabs around the sides of the rain head. You want to make sure that your Clean Shield screen is fully seated all the way around, and this will ensure there's no gaps for pests such as mozzies to get in there. And that's it. Your Leaf Eater Clean Shield screen is installed.